market analysis. So what we will do today, we will analyze the market on the basis of a 15 minutes. Why we want to, why we are doing the analysis based on the 15 minutes, just because of little bit scalping strategies also we will use in this market. So we wanted to use in this market. So we will analyze this market. What the fuck is this? Okay, market is doing nothing, wasting my time. Not a market, but this broker is wasting my time. Okay. So as you can see here, we are on the 15-minute chart, and we wanted to do the scalping based on. And if it is a New York session, it will be very good because in the New York session you are very good because of the volatility, high volatility in the New York session. So what we will do, we will wait, we will see, we will attack. Okay. So this is not working. Means we have to go to jump another segment of this market because it is not supporting the backside of the data, which he has to support, but it is not supporting. And if I go on the Delta exchange, there is no also supported of the. It is supported of the backend data to analyze, but the problem is that with the Delta exchange is the uh, he I didn't see US. I didn't see the USOIL, but what if there is a USOIL? I don't know, but let's focus on the trade. Just don't waste our time and don't waste the market's time also. Arey, what the? Why this is the fucking wasting my time. Okay, reset the chart. We have reset the chart, and now we are little. We are going not going for a little big analysis. We are going from there. This okay, sir. Okay, ekdam, ekdam. So, so we are here. We don't know what will market do. What is market doing on the past? But as you can see here, you can see here is a support. And where is the resistance of this? As you can see here, there is a three tap on this side. So it means you can consider it is a resistance. Okay, and little bit type of a head and shoulder it look like. Let us say, as you can see here, I am saying that left side head, left side. Okay. Here is also look like a head and shoulder type of pattern. So we are waiting. We are waiting what the market will do, and market is doing what. So head and shoulder has broken down, and there is no head and shoulder is remaining now. And here you can find one type of a W pattern, which I personally like in the US oil because whenever this type of a W pattern is made in the US oil, that time the market will bounce very good. So we need a little bit rejection over here, and then we will continue to go up. The market will continue to go up. So we are waiting for this rejection area. Wait a second. What the fuck is this market is doing? Okay, market is rejected. Okay, market is going to do. Now market will make here also W pattern, and then he will go up. I think like that. So it can happen or it cannot happen, but as you can see here, here is a very good W is made, and now I am not. What type of head and shoulder is W it is making? Okay. Very disturbing area is this. Very disturbing attack. Very disturbing. Very disturbing. What is he doing? What is he doing? So, in short of the time span, market is fucking us without anything taken care of that market. So as you can see here, I wanted to. Just get a shot from here based on this SL. Why I wanted to get a shot, I will explain that. And if you are doing the what if you are doing scalping, 1:2 is very good for the scalping. Okay, I am waiting why I get into this spread. I will show the reason, but the reason is not remaining. And we are got the SL, first SL of the 15 minutes, 15 minutes time frame trading. So we are waiting. What the fuck is? I wanted to means it is just 15 minutes. I think 15 minutes is not working because of the 4 hour time frame makes a W here. I think that I think like that. 4 hour W is maker, so that's why the 15 minutes is not work very well. So what you will do? You will go with the trend. Now the trend is upside, but you have to find the how you can trade in this market where you don't know what is happening next, and you wanted to scalp in this situation, but the scalp situation is not very good looking. What the fuck is this market doing? And I found out like a W, and then I found out like a head and shoulder, and this was a clear head and shoulder which is from here to here. So if it is broken that level, and so I'm interested in the downside, but what the fuck is wrong with this market? I don't know. Now I'm interested in the downside. What I'm still interested in the downside. I'm still interested in the downside. What is this market is doing? I don't. Okay, now I'm interested in the upside. Why? Because see, as for 15 minutes, I have very practiced over this shit and then to get down and then go up. So I have practiced this shit long time ago, and then I want just this much target. 1:3 is easy target for this. If it is good, it goes very well. First SL is gotten, and we gotten the first SL, and we want just to 1:2.90. Okay, and we get one. So if you consider we are entering here also and get the SL out of here from here, and still we are getting 1:9, 1.9 or one. Still, I think that it can go easily to 1:2. Let's see what he will do, or he will punish us. Okay, he goes to the 1:2.2 or 3. Most of the time, if you are trading in the US oil, there is a one strategy which will mostly work in this segment. It is a W strategy, which I found out very, very after very trials. See here, W pullback. Just wait for the confirmation that you get this line of this engulfing type of candle, and then just be calm on how the things will work. You can see here, see here. Seek this knowledge from me. See, now what is this? It almost goes to the 4.7 level. So, and we get a 2.2, 130 in a. So, we are waiting, we are waiting, we are waiting, we are waiting, we are waiting. And now, just I want to enter for the downside. Why I wanted to enter for a downside, I don't know. But I don't know means not. Here is one type of W structure is made, and I believe that it will go very goodly down, or it will fuck us, and it will fuck us easily. 2 SL and 1 TP. Okay, on the 15-minute time frame. Trend is upside. Why we are getting a downside trend? Now I ask myself why I am getting the downside trend when the trend is upside. So waiting for the confirm. Okay. You, you can see here, not even a single time the market is going up without making a W. Here you can see the W pattern is here, then here, then get a one pullback, then market goes up. Like same pattern repeating again, and again. And now market gives us a big here W. Wherever I see a W or I see a USD, three pairs will work very well. Two pairs will work very well in the W pattern. It's USD JPY and US oil. So we have to focus on that on that pairs. So just wait, just wait, just wait, just wait. Market is playing uh, khela with us. We are not going directly, but your market is playing a khela with us. So what khela it is playing? I wanted to see the khela which is playing by the market with me. Here, as you can see, a little bit of W, but there is always a W is made. So your strategy, my strategy, always strategy, whole strategy. Okay. Now, even if I enter on this candle, if I enter on this candle and I wanted to just get it one is to see here, one is to two, does can I able to get this one is to two? No. So we have it. So third SLP. Just waiting. I did not patient. I am not patient on the trade and get the very well. So market did it correctly. It is it is my fault that I am enter here, 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 here. Next W, get a pullback and then continuation. So what I wanted to do is that I have to enter almost here. Means I have to wait for the confirmation, and I enter directly, and that is my mistake. More big mistake which I have done. So I have done a mistake which I now what was that? Why was that? There is a gap up gap up open market is directly open gap up. So this cases in this case you have to just see the market without doing anything. That's it in your hand. Because if you do anything, market will punish you very, very, very. And what is the market is doing, I don't know. And clearly, as you can see here, the uptrend has gone and then downtrend has started on the 15 days time frame. Just waiting for the getting a perfect angle. As you can see here, here is a one type of a support has made. There is a one type of a resistance has made, and we are waiting for the breaking the support or the resistance so we can go long or go shorts on this trading. Okay, he is not breaking any type of a shit. He is just okay. He breaks that W. Okay, okay. Now I am interested for the upside, but the upside. Okay, okay. This was that, and I am interested here also. Here is here to interest, but now I am waiting to get a chance again enter in this particular situation because the market can easily crash from anywhere because the downtrend has started. Okay, trend has reversed and we have to wait. We can't do anything in the middle of that session. Okay, okay. Now I am entering here. Why I am entering here? I will give you a reason about that. And with the SL of this much understood is easy for this. And mother almost fourth SL, and third SL, fourth SL. Fourth SL is here. You can't enter any middle of this thing. I did not done any 15 minutes time frame analysis for a long time. Now we are involving in that analysis and involving in that work which I haven't done for a long time. So as you can see here, here you can see the face of God. Who is the face of God? Me. So we are waiting. Now I believe that this market is crashing. Then I did not believe this. Okay, little bit I am interested on this area to get at least from here to at least there 2.5. Okay. Little bit. There is not too much gap. Okay, we have gotten a two 1:2.5, and as you can see here, if I if I am risking a $10, where is the dollar sign? Dollar. I am again. Where is the dollar sign? Ah, if I am risking a $10, and in front of that, I am getting, I am getting over 1:2.5 means 25 dollars. Over $25. Okay, so if I risk two more times, if I risk two more times $10 again, my strategy is that I have to risk $10, get at least $20 or 2.5 also $25 is the first strategy which is invented by the Pranav Baba, not Homi Baba. It's a Pranav Baba. So what I am telling you that we have to focus on this, that $10 getting a $25. $25 in the Indian rupees around 2200 rupees. It is a 2200 rupees. When you go outside and get to try to get the 2200 rupees, it is little bit difficult. But for this type of thing, see, let's say I get, I think, four time SL. I get a four time SL. Yes, I get a four time SL. Four time SL means almost four SLs. Four SL. First, I get a first TP. Yeah? First TP means I want, where is that first TP? I want around two means I want, you can say $30. Four SL is cost me $40. Cost me $40. $40. For SL. Okay. Then that, and I have capital about $30. Okay. Capital is equal to $30. Capital is $30. Capital is $30. First time I get a TP. First TP is equal to, TP is how much I get a TP to $23. $23 TP I hit. Okay, my $23. Okay, where is the dollar sign? Dollar. Okay, $23 plus $53 is total is $53. $53 out of I get a $40 SL. So I am remaining with the $13. Okay. Now if I am remaining with the $13 remain, with $13. $13. Okay. Remain $13. I remain with the $13. Okay. Now I get how much? 2.50 means $25 plus. 25 plus 13. How much is that? $27. No, no, 27. How was it $27? Math. So $37. $38. Okay. $38. Means I have over make $37 and seven and the $7 is my profit. Means around the 600 rupees I go with the home around the 600 rupees. Okay, because we have getted very well SLs, very big SLs. So around the 600 rupees Indian rupees we are make on the investment of 30 risking a $10 get us $7. It is what happened now. Let's see what we will do, what is doing next. Okay, now we are about remain with the $30. Okay, our target is get always 2.5 or 3. We are waiting, waiting, not entering any type of shit. Not entering, not entering. There is no entering. Okay, okay, okay. Just one time. Oh shit, this has fucked very well. It is a morning session, I think. That's why this is not good. Yes, I'm feeling that it will now. Who knows what market is doing and why market is doing. What I know, try hard. What you can do. Wait for the setup, and this is around the whole day of the candles. If you go for the 15 minutes from here to here, it is around the whole day of candles. Means you are not trading whole day. Someday you are not trading whole day on the USOIL. Why? Because USOIL is not found. So we have to wait, 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 wait. And now I'm entering in this fucking crazy trade where I'm getting entry from here to almost for here without without any with a 2.54 here 2.50 and what he will do we will see and we get the TP is small. Okay, we get the TP. We get the TP 2.51. Why I enter on this trade? I will show you why I enter on this trade. As you can see here with me, you are you are very in a good hands because your teacher is very kind. See here, W W as for now, then get a full back. Two candles full back is required. One candle full back is not good. Two candle full back. Then just wait for the TP about the 2.5. So we have gotten a very good TP. So now our capital is around 37 plus 25. 3 to 5 to 5 is 42. 42 plus 20 is equal to $62 TP. $62. Now capital of our is now is our hand is a $62. So just wait. Just wait now. Now you can do anything. You just have to wait, brother. You have to just wait from the morning to the night. You have to just wait, brother. So here is what it is. Oh, we have get over four. Oh, but our expectation is to get at least one two ways to five. So $60 is okay. Now we are waiting for any confirmation about if I hold this trade, only hold this trade. What the fuck is getting up? As you can see, okay. This is not good. That's why I say don't trade on the upside when it trade is the okay. Now I am entering in this trade for the downside. Why I am entering in this trade for the downside? I will show you the result about this trade and over I am getting. I am just getting over. I wanted to get a two or three, and this trade can make a three. I feel like get the SL of $10. So we left with the now 62 minus. We are left with the 52. Okay, we are left with the 52. Just wait for the another confirmation which can market give us. But it will go down. I feel very. Oh, we see. Market will go down is perfectly. Market has gone down very perfectly. But the thing is that he came for making the head and shoulder. So with SL and P2 is not good. Now I am interested on the downside. Where is the support? Is here is the support. Here is the support. Here is the support. I am not interested in any type of shit the market has doing. Oh, okay, okay. Now I'm entering, and this time I am pretty fucking sure that I will get at least 2.70 or 2.80 easy money. As I can say you, as you can see here, how much if you goes down? It goes for a 2.22, but there is the resistance is remaining. That's why I'm waiting for that resistance should broke, and it will broke, it will broke me, or it will broke that resistance, and I am out of this trade. What the fuck is he doing? I don't know. Why the fuck is he doing? I don't know. So our capital remains with the $42. Again, we came as a, as of now. We are in the 50 to $42. There is a too much to recover. So and the trend is also up. So we are entering for from here to get at least here or from here. Okay, and if the market can tear, don't tear, don't, and market gives us a very. So where I go again at 32 Boston. No, control plus Z. I remain with the 32. Again, one SL if I return. But I am again entering in this trade. So from a little bit time on. There is no any type of thing that it should go down. That's what I'm telling about. Now this is again entering trade on that same trade. With this time we are going with the 4161 TP. and again SL is hit, and now we are left with $22. We are left with the $22. Now we don't have the money to continue. Only $20 are left, and now this market is dumping like a shit, as always as he is dumping. But we are still waiting for to tap this level or go up directly and then tap this level. Oh, see this. That is what I am talking about. Oh, this was a good, good time. Okay, we are waiting. Market does not give a fuck about our waiting cell. So we are still waiting because I know that it is a very higher chance to get a SL whenever you are at this position where market is like unminded horse who don't know where to go. And I think after the Putin and Trump and the Iran war, this spike is happening. Because of that, the spike is happening. So we are waiting. What type of thing the market is doing? I don't to show you. Okay, again we get the W, this W bacon, and these things are bacon, and I am feeling that the market is fully fucked now. Okay, so what the fuck is market doing? The market I don't know. Okay, I am feeling this after the long period of boringness. I want just one more piece of thing that is called one dispute. See, I will get one dispute chip on this trade. I will get this trade. One dispute chip on three. Means now we are remain with this 22 plus 3.1 means 33 plus 33 30.1 31 31 33 33 53 $53. We are remaining with the $53. We are growing. Okay. How much can it takes to get that much? This year we have this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12 candles. 12 into 15 minutes. 12 into 15 is equal to 15 into 4 is equal to means around 3 hours it takes to go up. 12, 14, 19, 11, 12, yes, around 3 hours it takes to give us a TP of this trade. Yes. Okay, okay, okay. So, okay. This type of shit I don't like. Okay. Okay. Now, what type of support it has been made by the market? I did not know. I wanted to know that how the market is going like a shit. came back, came back. Can't go directly. You don't have ability to go directly. You have to go down. And that's your destination. Why we are waiting? Because there is no such a type of a headache shoulder which I found or WOA. I'm just waiting for get a high. It's okay. I feel that. I feel that this motherfucker will go very good down. We are entering in this. I'm very actually interested about this because the market has gone directly. The market did not have any type of right to go directly because I didn't say it to directly. Say that your ass is not allowed to go directly. Countries to three you have to give because I am God from this market and you give me the SL. Still I accept this SL. How much you give? You give PP back. 200 to mostly in the scalping 100 to 2 lakhs of means $10 SL, $20 TP. Okay, I'm getting greedy. Like not actually. Wait, why it is going up? Is there any reason? It is a uptrend. That's why it is going up. Now I just found out that where is the one? Then this started. Iran and Israel wars are this was the war of the Iran and Israel. So for the first time, so we are wait a second, I have to get a call. Okay, as you can see here, there is a Iran and Israel war that's happening all of the time. So that's most of the time, Iran, Israel, and USA war. So that's why the market is pumping like because gold oil is going the Strait of Hormuz is just been kept been banned from the Iran. So there is a no trading between them between whole countries. So that's why the oil prices are going up whenever the things are very low in this in the so still I am interested in this trade. Why you can see here as you can see here we are getting a TP and we have getting a TP easy money. 2.5 is my ratio, not a 2.44, and we have got over a 2.52. So even if okay, now how much we are up? 53 plus 25 is equal to 53 plus wait a second 53 plus 25 5 6 7 8 8 8 that and 20 53 plus 50 60 70 70 plus 8 78 78 okay around 6,000 rupees 7,000 rupees is here 7,000 yes 7,000 rupees is here so as you can see here here is one major W and after that W we get a pullback and then go up that's what happening in the right now in this world the world of the trading I am very interested in going up, getting a trade on the upside, not getting a trade on the downside because the trend is upside. And if you wanted to stay alive in this market, you have to just wait. Yes, that's what I'm talking about. Now I am interested for the downside. Why I am interested for the downside is one type of head and shoulder which is my favorite, my favorite type of thing is that my favorite and my strategic thing is that we can get a 1 raised to 3.9, but we have to get a 1 raised to 3. Let's see what we'll do. What? Oh, ho, ho. Now we are in the live market. So we have done very good serious oil analysis, and if I have money right now, so I can enter in this trade, and the entry of this trade is very good, very very good. What I found, what I'm saying, but not high money. The money efficiency is there. So what you can do, you can bet. You have bet, have bet to make a money, and then go into trade, go into trade, go into trade. So wait, being patient, like a monk, can't do anything. I have about $10 worth of money, but is that $10 will go successful or not? If that $10 is not gone successfully, as I like to go, there will be the one most problem, which is that I did not have sufficient money after that, and I have to work very hard all of the time. And I don't have a problem with that, but the making of money of 1,000 rupees also it takes too much time. So what we will do is just wait.